Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Zelle to your Chime account so you can send and receive money easily using your Chime debit card. Before we start, it's important to know that Chime does not officially support Zelle directly in the Chime app, like banks such as Chase or Bank of America do. But there is a way to use Zelle with Chime by linking your Chime Visa debit card to the Zelle service in a supported bank's app. Here's how it works. First, open the app or online banking of a bank that does support Zelle. This could be a bank you already use that offers Zelle, like Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, or another. If you don't already have an account with one of those banks, you'll need to sign up for their mobile app or online banking first. Once you're in the bank's app, go to the section for Zelle or Send Money with Zelle. You'll see an option to enroll. When you enroll with Zelle, it will ask for a debit card to link to your Zelle profile. This is where you enter your Chime Visa debit card number, expiration date, and CVV just like you would with any other card. Follow the prompts and verify your phone number or email address. This will become the identity Zelle uses to send and receive money. After linking your Chime card via the Zelle-enabled bank's app, you should be able to send and receive Zelle payments using the Chime debit card. Keep in mind that if the recipient also uses Zelle in a bank app, the money will move quickly once it's sent, so make sure the phone number or email is correct before confirming. Because this method uses another bank's Zelle enrolling, your experience depends on that bank's app and interface. But once your Chime card is linked, you'll be able to use Zelle through that bank's Zelle service. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you add Zelle using your Chime card, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.